And I want to ask, what is that one memory which is very special to you and always stays with you from this journey of creating such a beautiful film?
You know, it's the first time that I've worked with friends. It's the first time that I worked in an environment where I felt so taken care of and so secure. You know, when you're doing comedy, especially जब two heroine film होती है और दोनों comedy कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
you know, and in a very healthy, competitive way, you know, you're like, okay, you know, because you're constantly pranking each other.
Absolutely.
Rakul and I, that's the crux of the film.
Yeah, they're all for family audiences.
Yes.
And it's just beautiful.
Yes.
Was that a very prime factor for you to say yes to the film in the first place?
Absolutely, yeah, because there are very few family comedies that are made, and especially
Very
of this
true.
tone,
Yeah.
you know, which is like, you know how David sir used to make films like in the
Yeah.
90s? Those
My
films have
favorite.
stopped.
My
We
favorite.
all have grown up seeing like Beedi number
Absolutely.
1, Coolie number 1, Sajan Chale Sasural.
Dance to the songs.
And you know, like those films have stopped. And when this script came my way, because I'd done Pati Patni or Wo with him, so I know that, you know, this Rishida wali jo quality hoti hai, chupke, I'd done that with him, you know, and then he told me, and I know how much he loves David sir and how much, I mean, he's a legend.
शादी में नाचूंगी तेरी वरना.
मैं नाम की प्रवीण टिल्लो नहीं.
Nice. Okay, so this one is English lyrics. You have to guess the Hindi one.
Okay.
Cool. Let's start. Fair, fair wrist, I'll make you wear green, green bangles.
fair wrist.
make
my film ना गोरी है कलाइयाँ. पहना दे तुझे हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. Well, what should I say? The person I'm in conversation with is one of my most favorite human beings, and I say she is favorite because her personality is absolutely magical. Actually, मैंने कभी भी इनके साथ conversation किया ही नहीं है. She is one of that checklist वाला होता है ना, एक checklist बनाते हो कि इस इंसान के साथ बैठ के लंबा conversation करना है. हम लंबा नहीं कर पाएंगे, but ये कॉन्वर्सेशन भी मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब होने वाला है बिकॉज आई फील मैंने उनसे जब पहली बार मैं मिली थी, मैंने उनको ये बोला था कि शी लिटरली इंस्पायर्स मी टू बी द वुमन दैट आई वांट टू बी इन माय लाइफ. सो ब्रेकिंग द stereotypes and making me feel very special from the very first time that I've met her. Well, it's none other than the very talented and beautiful Bhumi Pednekar.
Thank you so much. That was really, really,
But
really
that is
very
actually
sweet.
true. We had met during Bala and we had
My
this
God,
conversation.
thank you.
And you were very sweet at that time also, and you told me that because of this very reason, I want to, you know, I want to memorize. I didn't have the photo, you know, photo click करने के लिए mobile नहीं था मेरे पास. So you had made sure that you had clicked a picture with me, and that was very nice. Thank you so much.
We empower each other. That's how
Absolutely.
sisterhood works. Listen, I'm really sorry in your introduction because you gave me the permission to eat Sev Puri, which was probably not the best idea. I was like, आवाज़ तो नहीं आ रही है अभी introduction में. Sound आधा ठीक था ना? Okay.
It's absolutely
Sorry.
okay. It's completely fine.
And I realized it was the wrong choice of food to eat.
But I know you are a foodie, and I'm also
I'm
a
a foodie.
I come from a family where food is very important.
Yeah, same.
So yeah. So
We
for
bond
me-
on food.
Absolutely.
We bond
and we
on
show love
food.
also through food only.
Absolutely. And you know, not because I want to go back to the film, but I'm genuinely really missing Arjun and Rakul because, you know, just the energy of our film is such, and all three of us are foodies. And we
Absolutely.
bonded over food. And our love language is food.
Wow.
Mudassar sir as well, Jackie as well, Harsh as well. So when you said that, I remember like when if either of us would have like a low day, we would send each other food.
That is so sweet.
No.
You know, I think this covers that one thing. मेरा पहला question ये होने वाला था कि first I want to start with a very good note, and I want to ask what is that one memory which is very special to you and always stays with you from this journey of creating such a beautiful film.
You know, it's the first time that I've worked with friends. It's the first time that I worked in an environment where I felt so taken care of and so secure. You know, when you're doing comedy, especially जब two heroine film होती है और दोनों comedy कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
you know, and in a very healthy, competitive way, you know, you're like, okay, you know, because you're constantly pranking each other.
Absolutely.
Rakul and I, that's the crux of the film.
Yeah.
But it was always like so tough for us to do it with a straight face because we are such good friends कि ना हम पूरा टाइम हंसते ही रहते थे because एक तो लाइनें इतनी funny, the things we are doing are so funny and I'm like how can I hate this sweet little girl, and I think she felt the same, but I felt so secure, you know, because I knew that okay अगर मेरे character के intention में मैंने ना यूं पैर आगे कर लिया और रकुल trip हो गई, she won't take offense to it. वो कुछ और ऐसा करेगी as her character's point of view कि maybe I slip, you know, and there was such trust in each other that we कि हम फैल सके as actors.
That's so sweet.
You know, it was really, I don't think I've been my most honest real self as Bhumi, the person on the shoot.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really, really special.
And you don't get that many chances to be like that. I'm sure.
No, because you work with strangers. Eventually, they become friends. But I was working with friends, and not even friends. They are my family, right? Like Rakul, Jackie's one of my closest friends. Him and Rakul are married. Rakul's like a sister to me. Arjun and I have been. We go really, really, really far, and he is genuinely one of my closest people. And it's such a non-judgmental, safe space for me. With Mudassar, so it's my second film.
Absolutely.
With every film, he gives me something new to do and he unlocks a part of me as an actor. And Jackie was the producer. So
I have to say this, Bhumi. I feel that Mudassar sir, if he would have been here, I would have asked him this question. But there's this very beautiful thing about his movies. They're all for family audiences.
Yes.
And it's just beautiful.
Yes.
Was that a very prime factor for you to say yes to the film in the first place?
Absolutely, yeah. Because there are very few family comedies that are made. And especially of this tone, you know, which is like, you know how David sir used to make films like in the 90s? Those films have stopped.
My favorite.
We all have grown up seeing like Bibi Number 1, Coolie Number 1, Sajan Chale Sasural.
Dance to the songs.
And you know, like those films have stopped. And when this script came my way, because I'd done Pati Patni aur Wo with him, so I know that, you know, this Rishida wali jo quality hoti hai, chupke, I'd done that with him, you know, and then he told me, and I know how much he loves David sir and how much, I mean, he's a legend.
Absolutely.
And when this film came my way, I was like, this is an ode from all of us to that kind of filmmaking, you know, जहाँ पे आप पूरे family के साथ जाके हंसते हो, यार pure comedy चल रही, clean comedy चल रही है. And the thing is that it's not slapstick, it's not senseless, because the characters have so much agency that even as an audience, I connect with sensible cinema, but that is also comedic, right? Like exactly. I feel like in India, comedy does not get as much darja.
That's very true.
अगर आप अभी Oscars की रेस में भी देखें, it's a comedy film that's a front runner to win an Oscar. That happened last year as well.
But it's the most difficult genre.
It is, and it's so much fun. And Mudassar sir does it so well. He's such a phenomenal writer. He's got a flair of writing comedy well.
And I have to say you that when I watched the trailer, I was already laughing. So I don't know. I mean, I'm actually expecting a lot.
Yeah, there is a lot.
This is going to be a laughter riot.
There is.
So
it's going to be
I am very happy that I'm getting, as an audience, I'm getting a movie to watch like this, because it is the need of the hour.
I'm
amongst
glad.
So much of actions, I'm finally getting something to laugh.
I feel that as well. I was like, imagine a world where there were only action films and there were like no comedies or no chick flicks.
But हमारे यहाँ पे tradition है, हमारे family में. You always go to watch comedy films with your family.
That makes me so happy, yaar. And in theaters, you know, the whole mahal of a comedy film is that you watch it. It has to be a community viewing experience.
Absolutely.
And you know, जैसा कि मैंने कहा ना, इस film में हो क्या रहा है, Rakul and I are going one up on each other. And there's this green flag of a character that is played by Arjun, that is, he's stuck between us. And our families are stuck between us. And people are like, what are these bizarre things that are happening? Because some really bizarre things are happening in the film. But you know, the beauty of the film is that by the end of it, it's a comment on a man-woman relationship. A boyfriend-girlfriend ho, a husband-wife ho. A man-woman relationship is very complicated, and especially when there's an ex and a current person involved, right?
Exactly.
And you can end a relationship, and many a times, each side is the right side. You know,
That's
many a
true.
times you grow out of it. It's such a beautiful comment on that relationship कि मैंने कहा हंसी वसी तो भर भर के है, लेकिन उसके कोर में ना ह्यूमन ड्रामा है, which I love.
Wow. Superb. You're making me more excited. Okay. But before I go on to my segment where I'm going to have loads of fun with you,
Okay.
because I also believe that everything needs to have a dose of laughter in it.
Absolutely.
But before I go on that, I want to know what is that one manifestation that this is the person I really, really manifest to work with next? Because we believe in manifestation a lot.
No, even I do. Absolutely. I think this though I've been manifesting only, but I really hope that it happens. I really want to work with Sanjay sir. You know, I just feel like he changes you as an actor and he unlocks something within you, and and it's just not your performance, but also there's the way he visualizes you.
Wow.
I just want to be visualized by Sanjay sir.
That's true. You'll be beautiful, Bhumi.
I really hope.
Okay, moving on to my dose of laughter. I hope you do have fun. Okay, so the first is that we are going to be playing the 30-second challenge.
Okay.
It will be, some would be related to a little bit on Mere Husband Ki Biwi, but some would be related to you as well.
Okay.
We just have to see if you remember things about
Oh
yourself.
my God, pressure. Okay, let's go.
Okay, and you'll get only 30 seconds.
Okay.
And for each question that you say the right answer to,
Okay.
you get a prize.
Oh wow, I love gifts.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one. Here it comes. Dil Tham Ke Baitho. 5 love triangle Bollywood movies with single hero. 30 seconds starts
पति
now.
पत्नी और वो, मेरे हस्बैंड की बीवी, the first पति पत्नी और वो,
Smart.
साजन चले ससुराल, बीवी number 1.
She's very smart. Oh my god.
Listen, I've done a film in the genre.
I know.
So I literally have like seen all of them, and it's a genre I love.
Okay,
This
ठीक
full
है.
confusion.
You get the Okay, so the second one. Name 3 Bhumi Pednekar films in which there was a second lead actress. 30 seconds again.
Sankiyak,
Okay.
पति
Wow,
पत्नी
she's
और
good.
वो, and Bala.
Perfect.
I would have said मेरे husband की बीवी again, but I guess people know.
Okay, cool. Okay, complete the dialogue. Now this is तो करना ही होगा.
Oh God,
Okay.
this I'm gonna.
शादी में नाचूंगी तेरी वरना.
मैं नाम की प्रबलीन टिल्लो नहीं.
Nice. Can you do that again? For me.
क्या था?
शादी में नाचूंगी तेरी वरना.
हाँ, शादी में नाचूंगी तेरी वरना नाम की प्रबलीन टिल्लो नहीं.
I loved that dialogue from the thing. Okay, so this one is English lyrics. You have to guess the Hindi one.
Okay.
Cool, let's start. Fair, fair wrist, I'll make you wear green, green bangles.
Fair fair wrist.
make
My film ना गोरी है कलाइयाँ, पहना दे तुझे हरी हरी चूड़ियाँ.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, we will not break this friendship. We will die. We will not leave each other's side.
We will not break this friendship and we will die. ये दोस्ती.
Yes, she's winning all of it.
I
dude.
know.
Wow.
I'm telling you, I'm very competitive.
Okay, last one. In the moon, hit the cloud blush and come hide in my arms.
In the moon, चांद सितारे जो नहीं. In the moon, make the
Hid the cloud.
hid
blush.
the moon.
Yeah, hid the cloud blush and come hide in my arms.
Could you repeat that? I didn't understand.
Chand
चांद छुपा. Oh, good one, good one, good one.
I know.
Good one, good one.
I knew एक तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
Good one.
Okay, so before I leave you, okay, if you had to break one myth about stars or one misconception, because you've been breaking stereotypes left and right with your performances, Bhumi, always taking roles which speak volumes. If you had to break one myth about stars and misconception about them, what would that be?
Yeah, I think because we live in the times of social media where everybody has a camera, I think we often forget to humanize stars, right? Because like people have good days, bad days. You know, you could have मम्मी से डांट पड़ सकती है, boyfriend से लड़ाई हो सकती है, बहन से लड़ाई हो सकती है. You know, you could have good days or bad days. I feel like that discount. I think the myth that I would want to break is that stars aren't human enough to feel emotions in their real life.
Very true. Yes.
You know, because of course we are very, very, very blessed. भगवान ने ना जितना चाहिए उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा दिया. लेकिन जो core emotions होते हैं ना, which is heartbreak, disappointment, or dealing with failure, or just making a human error, वो तब भी होता है. है ना? Just, yeah.
Well, that was a very beautiful closing statement. Thank you so much, Bhumi, for being on Pop
Thank you.
Diaries.
This was a lot of fun.
I have to tell you guys, please don't forget to watch the film in the theaters. I will be there with the popcorn.
And your family.
Laughing and laughing as well. And this is a family entertainer, guys, through and through. So please do watch it in theaters. Thank you so much, Bhumi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.